Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn ordinal number, money, and date in Cantonese, which involves a lot of numbers. So if you're not familiar with number in Cantonese, you can go back to the video before, you can click the link above, and then come back here to this video. Okay, let's start with ordinal number. It's really simple when a cardinal number is preceded by 第. It becomes ordinal. And here are the examples. First, 第一, 第一. Second, 第二, 第二. Third, 第三, 第三. 11th, 第十一, 第十一. So by adding 第 at the beginning and then the number, it becomes the ordinal. And if you want to ask what rank, 第幾, 第幾. This ordinal number can be replaced before a measure word and a noun as a modifier. The order is 第 plus the number plus the measure word plus the noun. For example, 第一個人, 第一個人, which means the first person. We have different measure word for different nouns, but we will talk about it more in the later videos. Next, we move to money. The currency in Hong Kong is Hong Kong dollar. The basic unit of money, 錢, 錢, is 蚊, 蚊. This unit is also used as a measure word, so you can just include 蚊 after the numerical value. For example, 十蚊, 10 蚊, 10 Hong Kong dollar. 21蚊, 21蚊, or abbreviated as 21蚊, 21蚊, which means 21 Hong Kong dollar, and etc. In Hong Kong currency, a smaller unit of money than dollar is cent, 毫子, 毫子. For example, 10 cent is 一毫子, 一毫子. 20 cent, 兩毫子, 兩毫子. 50 cent, 五毫子, 五毫子. When the figure involves both dollars and 10 cent unit, 個 is used instead of蚊for dollar, and 毫子 could be skipped in the phrase. For example, 3.7 Hong Kong dollar, we can say 三個七, 三個七. 15.1 Hong Kong dollar, 十五個一, 十五個一. Note that 二 is used for 2 10-cent dollar when a figure involves both dollar and 10-cent unit, and also 半 is used for 5 10-cent unit in such case. For example, 40.2 Hong Kong dollar is 40個二, 40個二. 105.5 Hong Kong dollar is 105個半, 105個半. Sometimes you may hear people say 個七, 個七, which is 1.7 Hong Kong dollar. A local people will drop the 一 in the case of a single dollar amount followed by multiple 10-cent unit. But of course, it is not wrong to say 一個七. So how to ask for price? You can ask 幾多錢啊？幾多錢啊？ or 幾錢啊？幾錢啊 means how much is it or how much are they. Another way of asking is 點賣啊？點賣啊？ Literally meaning is how to sell, but also mean how much is it. In Cantonese, when you tell the price, there is no verb to be needed. For example, 可樂3蚊一罐，可樂3蚊一罐。可樂 is noun, the Coca-Cola. 3蚊 the price, 3 Hong Kong dollar. 一罐 1 can, and that's the measure word. Finally, in the last section, you will learn the order of how to say the date in Cantonese. Year is 年. To state a certain year, simply read off the year number digit by digit and then put 年 at the end. For example, 1949 1949年 1949年 2020 2020年 2020年 To ask for year, you can say 今年係幾多年啊? What year is it now? Which is a weird question, I know, but here I want to introduce a phrase of asking 幾多. You can apply that to ask for month or date. Or another question, 你邊年嚟香港㗎? 你邊年嚟香港㗎? Which year did you come to Hong Kong? Next, naming month is also easy. The 12 months are referred to the ordinal numbers, followed by the word 月, which is month. January 1月 February 2月 March 3月 April 4月 May 5月 June 6月 July 7月 August 8月 September 9月 October 10月 November 11月 December 12月 For example, if you want to ask which month is your birthday, you ask 你幾月生日㗎? 你幾月生日㗎? When referring to a date in a month, either 號 or 日 is used as an indicator and placed after the appropriate number, which is from 1st to 31st. You can use either one, but 號 is often used in spoken language. For example, 3號 third day of the month. To ask for the date, you can use the phrase we taught 幾多今日係幾多號啊? 今日係幾多號啊? what day of the month is today. Lastly, in Cantonese, a week begins on Monday and ends on Sunday. It's expressed by 星期, 星期 or 禮拜, 禮拜. Monday, 星期一, 星期一. Tuesday, 星期二, 星期二. Wednesday, 星期三, 星期三. Thursday, 星期四, 星期四. Friday, 星期五, 星期五. Saturday, 星期六, 星期六. Only for Sunday is a little bit different. We say 星期日, 星期日 or 禮拜日, 禮拜日. In Cantonese, the order of date is the reverse of the English format. The larger unit comes before the smaller unit. Year, month, date, date of the week. For example, Wednesday, 1st of October 2003. We say 2003年10月1日星期三. So that's the end of today's video. In the next video, we will talk about counting things with measure word. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you have any suggest topic, you can also leave comments below. See you next time. 下次見，拜拜。